What's up coders? In this video I wanted to share with you how to scrap data from any website because it's really a helpful tool. So in our case, my example is top 100 biggest companies in the world 2023. So let's say we need some company names. So I googled that, grabbed this website, the first one, and as you see we got here some names, the companies, and we got other things like for example the country of the company, the market value, market cap, stock, so on. And we got 50 companies here. So instead of copy paste every single one of these, and sometimes it had some link, it will redirect to another link. All you need to do is to open the console, right? So using this selector here, we click it so it becomes blue, and then we just click on this one because we need this one, right? And as you see, this is the element we need. You just need to click copy and copy JavaScript path. And now we are going to use query selectors, right? So if we just paste it, it has already the query selector, and let's click enter, and as you see, it gave us what we need. What we need exactly is the inner text of it, right? Okay, but we don't just need the first one, we need all of these. To do that, we want to be sure that we are selecting all of these. So we use the query selector all instead of query selector. But as you see, we are selecting the second child. This is the table. We got the first child, right? Then the second child, third child, and so on. So as you see, what we are doing here in our copied code, we are selecting the first row, and then the first row, the second child. So that's why I'm gonna remove this part of the code and always select the second child of any row. So basically I'm gonna modify the code to this, because since this is all we need, right? Now we will not see a lot because this is basically an array. As you see, it's an array of A's, and these are all our A's, the company names. Now I'm gonna leverage for each to loop inside this array, and for every single element, for now I'm gonna console this element, or I'm gonna log to this element to the console, right? Element.inner text. Let's check it, and as you see, we got our elements here. Nice. What we could still do is to save these elements, save these companies inside an array. So let's create an array, let companies, right? And all we need to do is, instead of logging that to the console, we use the push. So we choose companies, which is the array, and then we'll push this element into it. And now if we log the companies array to the console, we'll get our companies. Now you can basically just copy these, right? And then you could use it locally for anything you want. Here's your Jad. Like the video and subscribe to the channel to be a better coder, and see you in the next video.